Hello guys, my name is Damilare and I have the Samsung Galaxy A70 with me, and I can't wait to unbox this device with you guys and tell you guys what's inside the box and also share my first impression about the device. So if you're just coming to my channel for the very first time, kindly hit on the subscribe button just below the video and let's get started. So here is the Samsung Galaxy A70 device. The name is boldly written on the top of the device, just like every normal Samsung Galaxy A series device. And at the back of the pack, you find the basic description, specification of the device also. So opening the box of the device, you find the guide and the warranty card. You also find the transparent silicone case. And next off, you're greeted with this device itself. You can see that the back of the device is very reflective of different colors, which is one thing I love. You also find the Type-C USB cord, which is a Type-C to Type-C in-ear earpiece, and the charger brick. Now, let's get something clear. This is not like every normal charger brick you find on every device. This is a 25-watt charger, which is also called the super fast charger because it charges your device far more faster than any other charger out there. And finally, you find the ejector pin. The Samsung Galaxy A70 has a cool thing I would like to share, which is the glossy back finish, which looks like glass but actually not made of glass. It's actually made of plastic, but it reflects different colors when placed under different light scenarios. I find this amazing and cool. Sometimes it's even hard to know the main color of the device because of the different colors that reflects off the back. And also, not to forget, the device is a fingerprint magnet, so for those who like to carry their phones without case, get your handkerchief ready. So taking a closer look at the device, you notice the device is a 6.7-inch device with a resolution of 1080p by 2400 pixel. The device also comes with a new Infinity U display, which that with a notch. Looking at the back of the device, you can spot the 3-camera setup. It comes with a 32 megapixel, 8 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera with different apertures, and also the front camera is a 32 megapixel front camera with a f.2 aperture. Booting on the device took about 2 minutes, and here's a quick rundown of the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy A70. The device comes with 6GB RAM, a 128 inbuilt memory with a Snapdragon 675, and also a 1.7 GHz octa-core processor. Let's not forget the 4500 mAh battery, which is the biggest battery currently on the Samsung lineup. For the software, it comes with Android Pie with Samsung's new user interface One UI, which is quite cool, as this is one of the devices that comes with the interface out of the box. So getting back to the camera, I took few pictures with the device and I would like to share that with you. You can notice from the pictures that they are not too saturated. The picture quality is quite okay, not the best in the market, but you don't expect that from a budget device. When it comes to the wide angle, everything, it captures a lot of things in one shot. Kind of compresses the image a little bit, but you still get the reason why you need a wide angle lens. The video quality is quite okay, not too saturated like I shared in this video. So hello guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy A70 and this is the front video look. You can see that it's like I'm having issues because I'm wearing the white shirt. I don't think it works well with white shirt and the sun is not out, so it gets overexposed with anything that's kind of white and all that. But apart from that, you can still tilt and it still works well. So but my skin looks okay. The saturation, the color quality is better and much more cool. So streaming off YouTube is quite easy, as you can stream at 1080p because of the panel that the device comes in and the amazing AMOLED display. So streaming, you are no more limited to the 720p. Now you have the 1080p and you can watch clear and crisp videos. Also, the notch does not disturb your viewing, as it only chops out a little bit of the video, and hopefully you don't miss anything important. But if you want to avoid a notch, you can just crop out from the notch and you are good. So when you talk about the security features that the Samsung A70 has, you talk about the on-screen fingerprint scanner and the Face ID. Well, the Face ID works. Is basically, we've seen this technology before, it's nothing new. It has this cool animation that shows that it's scanning your face, and also tries to work well when you're in dark scenarios. And the most talked about security feature on this device, the on-screen fingerprint scanner, which works amazingly well. Well, you can't compare the speed at which it unlocks your device with that of the Samsung S10. The technology that is used in the A70 is quite lower than that of the S10, which is understandable, and also to save money. But it works and it unlocks your phone. How much does this device cost in the market presently? Well, I got mine for around 118,000 naira, which is roughly $330, and I must say it's really worth the price. So guys, this is my unboxing video and my first impression about the Samsung Galaxy A70 device. I'm going to be doing a camera comparison with the A series devices, the A30, the A50 and the A70, to decide which is the best when it comes to picture quality. And I would love for you to check that out. So if you don't subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. Hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notifications, so that anytime I release a new video, you'll be the first to be updated about it. I remain Damilare. Thank you for watching.